Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. You're watching for today. This is default Google Calendar that comes pre-installed on all OnePlus devices running with OxygenOS. OnePlus didn't provide their own calendar application in OxygenOS firmware. However, we got the Calendar APK extracted from ColorOS 16.1 update. It is in the English version and is fully functional on all OnePlus devices running with OxygenOS 16 firmware. I received list of upgraded OxygenOS application from recently released OxygenOS 16.1 firmware, but this calendar application stands out with its new features and fresh user interface. Only one feature is missing in this application, which I shown at the end of this video. So make sure to watch this video till the end. Now without further delay, let's get started. This is a simple APK file that you need to install if you want to use the OxygenOS calendar application. Once installed, when you open the application, you will see this nice user interface. At the top, you will see the current month calendar. If you swipe up from the bottom, you get the events and the to-do list of the current month in the card form. You can check the detailed event and the to-do list for the same date here. If you are on any other date in the calendar, you can quickly go back to the current date with just one click on this date icon showing today's date at the bottom right side. At the bottom, we have the control center of this application. If you tap on the first setting icon, you can change the display layout of the calendar into the different formats like list view, timeline view, overview, week view, and the event view. I think the event view is a very useful to check all the events of the month on the go. This control center has default view as calendar. You can switch to to-do list by selecting the to-do list option. Here all to-do lists are categorized into the different sections like all, in progress, overdue, today, next 7 days, and high priority. By tapping the plus icon, you can add the new to-do task. You can set the reminders with the specific times for these activities. These to-do actions can also set as daily, monthly, or yearly recurring tasks. If you are in a calendar mode, tapping the plus icon lets you create new calendar event or to-do task. All the settings are the same as you discussed earlier for the to-do activities. When you set any event or to-do reminder, its notification will be displayed like this with sound alert. It will be more effective if you get the calendar notifications as a live alerts. But for now, that feature is not supported. Just like Google Calendar, you can add your Google account in this application, which will synchronize all your activities across all OnePlus or Oppo devices having same Google account. This calendar is also integrated with daily weather condition. Just grant the location access to application and date-wise weather forecast will be displayed in the event section. The calendar icon on your home screen shows the current date, so you can instantly know the today's date by placing the calendar icon on the home screen. This application also has one AI feature that becomes available in OnePlus AI setting after installation of this application. It's a new AI planner feature. When you come across any date or event while scrolling on the web or in any application and you want to save it as calendar event or the to-do task, you can just double tap on the back of your phone. However, this feature currently works only on Oppo devices. On OnePlus devices, it's not working yet. In my opinion, Google Calendar feels outdated now with its boring user interface and old settings. Plus, it lacks the AI integration. So this new OnePlus or Oppo calendar is best alternative for all OnePlus or Oppo users. That's all for today guys. Hope you liked our work. Then please do like, hype and share this video. Subscribe to our channel. Press the bell icon for notifications of our upcoming content related to OnePlus and OxygenOS. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Take care. Bye bye.